Let us explore the fascinating structure of neurons, the fundamental building blocks of our nervous system. Neurons are specialized nerve cells that vary considerably in size and shape throughout the body. They form the gray matter of the nervous system and are found in specific locations including the periphery of the brain, the center of the spinal cord, and in clusters called ganglia. Now let us examine the processes of nerve cells, specifically axons and dendrites. These extensions form the white matter of the nervous system and are found deep within the brain and at the periphery of the spinal cord. Outside the central nervous system, they are described as nerves or nerve fibers. Each neuron typically has one axon that carries impulses away from the cell body, and multiple dendrites that receive incoming signals. Let us now examine the detailed structure of the axon in greater depth. The axon consists of several critical components. First, the axolemma is the membrane that surrounds the axon and contains the axoplasm within. Second, the myelin sheath is a fatty material that surrounds most axons, giving them their characteristic white appearance. This myelin sheath is absent at regular intervals called nodes of Ranvier, which enable rapid transmission of nerve impulses along myelinated fibers. Now we examine the neurolemma, which is a very fine delicate membrane surrounding the axons of all peripheral nerves. The neurolemma consists of a series of specialized cells called Schwann cells that surround both the axon and the myelin sheath. These Schwann cells play a crucial role in nerve regeneration and maintenance. It is important to note that not all neurons possess a myelin sheath. Those that do not are called non-myelinated fibers and have different functional characteristics. Finally, let us examine dendrites, which are the processes on nerve cells that carry impulses towards other nerve cells. Dendrites are typically shorter than axons and each neuron has many dendrites, creating a highly branched structure. This extensive branching allows neurons to receive signals from multiple other neurons simultaneously. The dendritic tree significantly increases the surface area available for receiving synaptic inputs, making neural communication highly efficient and complex. In summary, neurons are complex cells with specialized structures that enable nervous system function. The cell body contains the nucleus and metabolic machinery. Axons carry signals away from the cell body and are often myelinated for rapid conduction. Dendrites receive incoming signals through their extensive branching. Together, these components form the basis of neural communication, with gray matter consisting mainly of cell bodies and white matter comprising the myelinated processes that connect different neural regions.